An appurtenant easement is one that runs across one parcel of land, known as the servient estate, for the benefit of another parcel of land, known as the dominant estate. An appurtenant easement runs with the land, meaning that it remains with the property even after the property is transferred. An easement in gross is one that personally belongs to the easement holder, independent of any land ownership. An easement in gross doesn't run with the land. In Burcky v. Knowles, we explore how courts distinguish between appurtenant easements and easements in gross. In 1934, Samuel Garland sold a parcel of land to the predecessor in interest of Forrest and Mildred Knowles. We'll refer to the Knowleses and their predecessor collectively as Knowles. The warranty deed contained a reservation clause that reserved to Garland the right to pass over a strip of land running across Knowles's parcel to Post Road. The reservation clause didn't contain words of inheritance. In other words, it didn't expressly reserve the right to pass across Knowles's land to Garland's heirs and assigns. In 1953, Garland sold an adjacent parcel of land to Knowles. In the second warranty deed, Garland extended the previous easement across the second parcel, such that Garland could still travel across Knowles's land to reach Post Road. The second warranty deed contained words of inheritance. Paul and Kathleen Burcky, whom we'll refer to collectively as Burcky, subsequently acquired the remainder of Garland's land. Burcky contended that the relevant easements were appurtenant easements that gave Burcky a legal right to cross Knowles's land. Knowles disagreed, arguing that Burcky didn't have a right to cross Knowles's land. Burcky filed a declaratory judgment action in New Hampshire State Court to determine the easement scope. The trial court found that in the first deed, Garland reserved an easement to himself personally with the intent to ensure his continued access to pasture land. Accordingly, the trial court found that the original easement was an easement in gross that didn't run with the land. Based on that finding, the trial court ruled in Knowles's favor. Burcky appealed to the New Hampshire Supreme Court.